What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with The Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to give you my 3 keys to affiliate marketing success. Now, what most people think about when it comes to affiliate marketing is you need to promote all this stuff. You need to promote little products and trinkets and gadgets and gizmos and all this stuff, and that's not necessarily the truth, okay? Now, in just a second, I'm going to give you my number 1 tip, but what I want you to understand is that it's all about that connection that you have with your target audience, whoever it is that you're promoting this affiliate product to. So I personally love to promote individual products over on Amazon because everybody knows Amazon. And the second thing I love is to promote software that has a recurring subscription cost associated with it. Because of that, I will get paid monthly instead of just that one time like I do over on Amazon. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to hop over to my computer and I'm going to show you right now what I like to do in order to get more affiliate sales than most people. So let's go. So what you can see right here, this is my little diagram. I just drew this up. Very simple, very basic and plain, but hopefully you get the idea. Now, the number 1 tip, okay, the number 1 key to affiliate marketing success is you must follow up. Here's what I mean. So let's say I have a website or a YouTube channel or a Facebook page or whatever, right? So this one, for this example, I'm going to use a website. I have my website right here. I have my affiliate offer, okay, right over here, okay? Right over here in the sidebar. Have my affiliate offer points directly to the affiliate offer, sends the traffic directly over there. And that works out, okay. It's a decent idea, but it doesn't give you the best results. What gives you the best results is having an opt-in page where you collect their name and email address and you send them directly to an email sequence. This is the follow-up that I'm talking about, that I'm referring to, that I highly recommend, okay? So inside your email sequence, maybe your website's on how to lose weight, and this opt-in is get my weekly newsletter on how to lose weight or how to consistently lose weight without starving yourself, right? So here it is. So people opt in. Let's say Susie from whoever from Texas decides to opt in. So now Susie is getting my emails. My first email will be my weekly newsletter on how to consistently lose weight without starving yourself. What's she gonna do? Okay, but inside that email there is no links to the affiliate offer. Okay, you want to gain that trust. They already trust you enough to sign up for it. Now they want to trust you even more. So in email 2, you talk about how you're doing it, what you recommend, whatever, and then you send them a link to that email or that affiliate offer. You do that again in email 4, again email 6. In between there, in email 1, 3, 5, you're just gaining trust. You're building them up to that affiliate offer. How much does it cost? What can it do for them? Is there a money back guarantee? All that stuff is very, very important. So that is my number 1 tip, my number 1 key to affiliate marketing success is you must follow up. Now, if you need help with creating something like this, all right, what I recommend is using a software. It's an online software. It's called Builderall. Okay, Builderall is a great platform. It costs $29 a month, but it allows you to create landing pages, allows you to do the follow-up sequence. Okay, it allows you to create webinars and just basic websites, all this stuff for only $29 a month. So if you've ever wanted to get into affiliate marketing, okay, I have a 7-day free trial, so you can go check out Builderall and see what it's all about, how it can help you. Go try that for 7 days. Free trial. After that, if you want to continue, is $29 a month. So the second key to affiliate marketing success is to promote something that you know. This is what most people don't do 100% of the time. They don't promote the stuff they know. They just promote whatever they think people will buy. Okay, promote something you know. For example, I promote Builderall because I know it. I use it. I used to promote ClickFunnels all the time because at that time, that was all I used. It was just ClickFunnels this, ClickFunnels that. I still promote just individual products for health and fitness, for cooking, for weight loss, for stress, for making money online because that is stuff that I do. I know those products. Okay, so when I promote something to you over on Amazon, like maybe it could be something for organization, could be something for your office, could be a mouse, could be a keyboard, could be a monitor, whatever it is. I will promote those to you because it's something that I use or have used and highly recommend. So what I recommend to you is to only promote stuff that you know. Key number 3 to affiliate marketing success is to dive deep into the topic. For example, let me show you the image again. Okay, here we are. So here on this website, I'm not just going to create a one-page website on how to lose weight, because people may see it, they may like it, they may enjoy the content. However, once they're done reading this, they are done. Okay, but if it's how to lose weight, and then article 2 is how to gain muscle, and article 3 could be how to lose the arm fat. Article 4 could be how to prep your meals every Sunday, or why I prep meals, or whatever, so on and so forth. So you're diving deep into that topic. Because you're diving deep into that topic, people are going to look at you as more of an authority site rather than just a one-page article. Okay? Also, which is something that I find works out very well, is when you have multiple articles, okay, a lot of different pages on your site, or a lot of different videos on your YouTube channel, people are more inclined to come back, to subscribe, to opt in, to follow you, because they know you're consistently putting out great quality content. If you're not doing that, chances are they're not going to follow you, so the likelihood of them actually buying whatever product it is that you're recommending is very small. Which leads me back to the number 1 key to affiliate marketing success is you must follow up. Okay, same thing with a YouTube channel or a Facebook page or Instagram account or a website. If you are not constantly posting new content, nobody is going to think that you really care. Nobody's going to believe that, okay, I see this article one time and I need to buy it. No, I'm not going to buy it from them because they only did one article. Okay, chances are they don't even care about me. Okay, so what you're going to do is you just create more and more content. By creating more content, what it shows to that person is you actually care. You actually have a passion for what it is you're talking about. And it's that simple. All right? So if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you don't need to go and promote everything under the sun. You don't need to create millions and millions of articles or Facebook posts or Instagram posts. You don't need to do that. You just need to promote and post engaging content people love and enjoy and can learn something from. All right? So if you can do that, you will be successful. Okay? So if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money on YouTube, or just make money online, let me know. Ask your questions in the comment section below. If you've yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.